in the PVTP. Okay, so here we have CO2, pure non-hydrocarbon, C1, C2. Okay, I will copy from the CO2 down to C6, like this. Just copy and paste. Okay. And then for the pseudo component, PS1 pseudo component, okay, we can type in. Okay, molar percent will be 32.1. By the way, it is in molar percent. And the molecular weight is 222. Okay, you can go back to the help and then you can see the guideline. It is 232. Okay. Okay. Please be careful. This is the list, general, number of components 10, number of pseudo 1, which is this one, PS1, which is actually C7 plus. Input as molar percent. We can also use molar fraction. Okay. And then here the reference data, reservoir temperature is 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. And then the reference depth 5949, and the reservoir pressure or reference pressure is 2339. Okay. Okay, and then let me check again. 0.8, 3622. Okay. 94. For okay. And then 226. I think this NC5 is 242. All right, total molar 100. 325, 32.1. Remainder 0. Average molar weight 92.785. Okay, so far so good. In our case, the boiling point, okay, is not reported, and we will have to be, it should be estimated using the provided molecular weight and specific gravity. Okay, so from here, okay, we can check this one, exit and save. All right, you can cancel, help, view, if you want to check the units again, pseudo component properties, okay? And then binary interaction coefficients, later we will go there, and then quick calculation. If you click quick calculation, you cannot perform calculations unless there is a valid composition, including any pseudo properties which might be required. Please check your data and try again, okay? From here, we should go here, pseudo properties. Okay, let's be careful again.